Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Teia Golden, and today we're taking you on a tour around McCall, Idaho, and it's going to be a real treat. We're going to visit each Mexican restaurant and kind of tell you what's special about them, where they're located, and just all the options that are out there if you're coming to McCall and you're really craving some Mexican food. So here we have Rosarita's food truck, and they say the most popular items on the menu are the tacos and the burritos, and that really has to do with their homemade salsa. They have a red homemade salsa and green, so you can choose which one you want, and they put it on the side for you. And they're open every day except for Sunday. Right. On to our next spot, we have KB's Burritos. Originally started in Ketchum, standing for Ketchum Burritos. They do also have a location in Twin Falls. They're known for their generous portion sizes. They're in a great location. They have indoor and outdoor seating. Sometimes in the summer, they have concerts out here in the lawn. So it's a great place to come, sit and grab a quick bite to eat or lunch as you're passing through town here in McCall. So another location, sometimes these videos, when they go around, they become outdated, right? I have some old videos where those restaurants don't even exist anymore. So I wanted to make sure to get this place on the list, this Spitfire Tacos. It's not open yet, but you will be able to get a Mexican style food there here shortly. Another exciting mention is Lago Chapala, the only Mexican restaurant with a liquor license located right on Payette Lake. They have you'd be able to sit out on the deck and watch amazing sunsets while you eat Mexican food. And so sometimes this restaurant can have a wait, so the food is so good here. So finally, we're here at the last one, Pueblo Lindo's. It's the one that's the furthest west, right off of Highway 55 as you go towards Brundage. If you're coming to McCall and you have a large group, I would definitely eat here at Pueblo Lindo, and their food is amazing. Check it out. This is our last location of Mexican restaurants located in McCall, Idaho. All right, thanks for taking a tour with us all around these Mexican restaurants located in McCall, Idaho, and leave a comment below with your favorite dish at one of these restaurants.